Copilot Spaces are a new way of organizing code, documentation, and other contexts and using it with Copilot. To get started, go to Spaces in the sidebar and create a new space. Today, we're going to create a test coverage space. It's going to build test coverage for one of my applications. You can assign the owner to yourself or an organization. If you assign it to an organization, then you can share it with other members of the organization. I'm going to add some instructions. These are going to help the model understand how to format responses and any nuance that it might need as part of generating a response. And then you can add some attachments. These can include files from a GitHub repo, plain text, issues, pull requests, and other types of context coming soon. I'm going to start by adding some context from my repo. I'm going to add all the core app logic, and I'm going to also go ahead and add my tests and my test framework. And let's go ahead and get testing. Spaces pull exclusively from the context contained within them as part of generating a response. Spaces generate incredibly high quality results, and we like to think of them as being something like a subject matter expert in a particular part of the code base. So that's it. Give them a try. They're simple to spin up, and you can use them for just about anything.